everyone, welcome back. Today I have Cassie with me. She is a great family friend for years and years, right? Years. Yeah, ever since we were kids. Yeah, ever since I was kids. So yeah. Cassie used to have long hair and permed it for years, right, Cass?
Oh yeah.
And yeah, so when she decided to go short, we went short. Yep, we went short. But then she did come back and say, no, I want to go shorter. And it's worked out so good for her. So, and it shows off her pretty colors. So, yeah, super fun. But, so what I do is I just clean up her neck with the clippers. And then we're going to trim all this up. She comes every 5 weeks. 4 or 5, yeah. Yeah, 4 or 5. You've been kind of going more 4 because the 5 was just like bugging her. It was just a little bit, it was long. Yeah. So it just depends on the week. But yeah, once a month to every 5 weeks. I do go a little bit tighter here in the back. And once I dry it, I usually come back through with the clippers and the blending comb and, take that a little shorter for sure. Just because this grows out and then it pokes out. So we like to keep that tight. She is having pictures here in a couple of weeks. So she's like, I need my sides a little shorter because they just grow too fast and start poking out. So we're going to go a little bit tighter on her sides. I won't scalp her because she does have pictures, but just a little bit shorter than normal. But yeah, it'll be fun. Okay, now I'm coming off to the side here, taking a little bit of this light. Yeah, our moms used to play softball together. Back in the day, that was super fun, wasn't it? All those memories. Fun. Okay, now we're going to hold this out. Then after that, it was us. Yep, then after that, it was us. We played softball, and did we have a blast. You know what was so funny is I remember Carmen, and she had quit. She's like, I just don't have time, and just with the kids. And I'm thinking, but, you should for yourself. And then I have 5 kids, and I'm like, I actually don't have time for myself anymore, which is great. Like, I'm not saying that, but then I realized, now I know why she quit ball. Because that's what I did. You just, then you go do it with them, and then they become more of a priority. That's right, for sure, which is the best thing, for sure. But yeah, it's funny how that changes. So yeah, good memories on ball fields. Shit. Years and years. And then when we started doing co-ed and mom and dad would come, that was the funnest. And then when we stopped, they were like, wait, we missed the ball field. Right. What the heck are you doing? And those were good times. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, now we're going to come to the top here. We're going to come straight across. Yeah, it was long. I wanted to have nothing red this time. Yeah, and it's only been 4 weeks. So this one was 4 weeks, and it was just right timing. Perfect timing. So, good. My hair grows a lot faster than it used to when it was long. No, isn't that the easiest thing? You cut it short and you're like, wait a minute. What's up with this? Why you go for months and months when it was long and not do anything with it? So true. Then you cut it short and it does grow. Yeah, it does. A lot healthier. Yes, absolutely. Okay, we're going to go up right here by the ear. Make sure that this is in the space. Nice and clean. I just hold her ear down with that comb. Okay. It's nice to be pampered once every 4 weeks. That's right. That is a good point. It is nice to be pampered. Yes, it is.
Do something for yourself.
Yeah, it really is true. Yeah, usually as moms and spouses and
then maybe we're just going, right? And we get to catch up every 4 weeks too. So
yes, that is true. That
who's
is
doing what and what's doing what and those kids doing what.
it's true. It's the best. It's how we stay in contact and
I know what's going on, but hush.
yeah, it's fun. Her mom actually is neighbors to Megan, the one that videotapes for us. So she's becoming there, and she is an awesome neighbor. Okay, so you can see that I took this above her ear, and then I did take this in a little bit more on her sides than usual because she's like, yeah, I can't have the big
sides for
pictures. Yes, yeah, exactly. Yeah, that is one thing about Cassie is she is definitely a perfectionist, totally. And she likes her hair just right and like just, yeah.
Well, now I don't get the opportunity to just throw it a ponytail or, you know.
Yeah, that is true.
So it's not kind of a done.
Yes, yes. Okay, I'm doing the texturizing. And we also love that. Definitely helps it stand up a little bit. If not, her hair is heavy. Even though it's more fine textured, her hair is heavy if we don't texturize it. So we'll just
lay on top of my head.
Yes, there you go. Absolutely. So yeah. Okay, so we're going to dry this, and then after it's dry, we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how to just kind of tighten her bottom, just so when it grows out, it doesn't poke out. So yeah, those ladies out there, if your hair is poking out and it's driving you nuts back here, just have them take the clipper and go a little bit tighter. Okay, now you're going to come through there. You're going to dry your hair. And up to the top. And then when it's about 80% high, you take your round brush and round brush it until it has all you might not. I don't know what's best, like getting your hair washed or having your hair played with like this, right? It's like, I don't know, that's so much. Exactly. Yeah, I like my colors like those. I'm serious. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Okay. So we're done already. What's that? Are we done already? Keep massaging my head, right? Okay, so to bring this tighter, we're going to come in and then hold the comb out. Just take that there. Okay. You can see the difference. See how this is like poking out over here and this is tight? That's what we like on Cass. Exactly. So yeah, you bring your comb in and then you bring the comb back out. If you leave it straight in, you're gonna take more length off. So the more length you want, the closer to the head that you'll keep that comb. But I like to do it on an angle so it's shorter and goes up to longer. Okay. Do a little bit shorter right there. Okay, yeah, much better. much better. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of paste. We still like it more soft, but just a little bit to just show off a little bit of the layering. Before I spray and stuff, Cass, I'm gonna have you look at your sides, because I'm gonna make sure they're short enough. Yep, they're short enough. I definitely want them to last. So, so let's see. Is that about right? Let's do it. Okay, okay. Now we're just gonna back comb a tiny bit up here through the top. That texturizing helps a ton to keep this in. It does. And if not, good looking back combing, huh? Exactly. It'll take like you a while to get it to try to lift. Or you'll get it lifted and it'll fall. No. Okay, turn her to the mirror. Okay, yes. Pass the test? Yes. That's really good. Thank you.
Feels like Monat day too.
Good. Thank you. I'm so glad. Okay, thanks, Cassie, so much for letting me do this. And thanks to everyone out there watching and supporting. And hopefully you enjoyed this haircut. And let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Have a good day. See ya.